time, Macau food talk. I take Auman.
What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna take you out to my favorite dish of all time. Now you're thinking, what could be my favorite dish of all time? It must be exquisite, must be Michelin star restaurant. Nope, it's merely a cha chan tang dish,沙丹猪扒飯. So why is it my favorite dish of all time? To me, favorite dish is more than just taste. That's right. It's also about what it represents and what it means to me. Now, what does it represent, you might ask? It represents Macau. Don't let nobody tell you this is not a Macau dish. It is a Macau dish. So what does it mean to me? I'll tell you after we eat. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's go. 이거沙丹豬扒飯. So this dish usually has the pork chop, and then you have the egg and ham. Some places make the sauce different. The color will be a bit transparent, and that's no good. To me, this is what color should be for it to taste good. One thing that I love to do is to put every ingredient in one scoop and eat it all together. The pork chop, the egg, and the ham. Alright guys, I just finished my沙丹豬扒飯. Now let me tell you what it means to me that makes it my favorite dish of all time. You see, there are two main things. Let me take a quick second to tell you a little bit about my background. I was raised in Macau up until grade 6. And then after that, I moved to Canada. Naturally, I went through my adolescence over there, and growing up in Toronto shaped a bigger part of my personality, which is why you see what you see right here. A person with a lifestyle and personality that leans towards the Western culture. What does that have to do with what it means to me? I'll tell you why. It might sound ridiculous, but it reaffirms me about my Macau identity. Let me explain. There were some local people that I've worked together before, and sometimes when I acted in ways that they might not be familiar with, they would just say this, "Hey, 佢鬼仔嚟嘅，係咁啦." Which means, oh, he's just a foreigner. That's how he is. Listen to me, man. When people say that, it kind of makes me feel like they completely disregarded about my upbringing in Macau. Don't take that away from me. Do not take that away from me. I mean, come on, man. I spent a good part of my childhood here, and I'm living here now too. So yeah, it reaffirms me about my Macau identity, if it makes any sense to you. The second thing is that沙丹豬扒飯somehow kind of reminds me of the coziness of me and my parents and my siblings. Let me paint this mental picture for you to better understand this. You see, we have school on Saturdays over here in Macau, half days. So we finish the half day and my parents come pick me and my brother up. Sometimes we would just go to this cha chan tang close by our place. It wasn't the best place. It had a ghetto metal staircase that lead up to the second floor, and I would almost always order that dish. In a sense, I guess it kind of just subconsciously reminded me of that cozy scene I was talking about. If any one of you guys watching will be traveling to Macau, you have to try this dish when you're here. You'll love it. It's delicious. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing in special guests for you guys. And that's it. I'm out. See you next time. Peace.